Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the inlet valve assembly on your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit, a flathead screwdriver, and a 45-degree angled pick. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Turn the water supply off. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for water to spill out. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and tilt forward. Noting the orientation, unplug the harnesses from the assembly. Remove the 2 screws from the clip and lift it off the assembly. Use the screwdriver to gently pry the thermistor out. Use the pick to gently remove the O-ring. Push the assembly forward and lift it up and slide it out from the appliance. To install the new inlet valve assembly, insert the spout end into the appliance and slide forward into position. Once into position, slide the assembly back to align the mounting holes. Insert the O-ring and reseat it. Press the thermistor into the socket. Place the clip over the 2 pegs. Rethread the 2 screws. Plug in the inlet valve harnesses. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines. Turn the water supply back on. Plug in the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.